my dear students, I welcome you all to the Science Nest YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to explain you the Northwestern Province Second Term Test 2018 Grade 8. Part 1. Select the most appropriate answer for all questions. Number 1. Select the answer which contains only vertebrates. Answer number 4. Lizard, frog and salamander. In first question, you can see man, bat and snail. In that, there are some invertebrates like snail. Lizard, cobra and butterfly. In that, butterfly is an invertebrate. Crab, dolphin and bat. In that, crab is an invertebrate. So answer 4, lizard, frog, salamander, all are vertebrates. Vertebrates are the animals who have the backbones. The adaptation shown by the plant leaf to perform the photosynthesis effectively is: first one, the division of leaf into leaflets. Number 2, having broad and thin leaves. Number 3, having fleshy leaves. Number 4, the deposition of food in leaves. Answer number 2, having broad and thin leaves. Broad, thin leaves help absorb more sunlight and gases. Number 3, the element in copper sulfate are: first one, copper, sulfur, oxygen. Number 2, sulfur, oxygen, iron. Number 3, sulfur, iron, oxygen. Answer 4, sulfur, iron, oxygen. Answer number 1, copper, sulfur and oxygen are the elements in copper sulfate. Select the correct statement. Violin is a musical instrument which produces sound by vibrating membranes. All musical instruments are sources of sound. Pitch of the rabana can be reduced by heating. Speed of sound is higher than the speed of light. Answer number 2. All musical instruments are sources of sound. Sound is produced by all musical instruments due to vibrations. Question number 5. Which of the following shows highest brittleness? Answer 1, copper. Answer 2, iron. Answer 3, sulfur. Answer 4, magnesium. Answer number 3, sulfur. Sulfur is brittle. It breaks easily. Question number 6. Area that the magnetic power is spread around a magnet is known as: number 1, magnetic poles. Number 2, magnetic flux lines. Number 3, magnetic field. Number 4, magnetic property of magnet. Answer number 3, magnetic field. A magnetic field is an invisible region around a magnet where magnetic forces act. Question number 7. The way of connecting bulbs and cells in the above circuit is: number 1, bulbs are in parallel, cells are in series. Bulbs are and cells are in parallel. Cells are in parallel, bulbs are in series. Number 4, cells and bulbs are in series. Seventh one, answer number 3, cells are in parallel, bulbs are in series. Parallel cells give stable voltage. Series bulbs share that voltage. Question number 8. The unit measuring the resistance is: answer 1, ampere. Answer 2, volt. Answer 3, watt. Answer 4, ohms. Answer number 4, ohms. Resistance is measured in ohms. Question number 9. Observations that can be seen when burning a magnesium strip are: answer 1, white colored flame and blue colored powder. Number 2, white bright flame and white colored powder. Answer 3, yellow bright flame and white colored powder. Answer 4, white bright flame and yellow colored powder. Answer number 2, white bright flame and white colored powder. Magnesium burns brightly and forms white ash, magnesium oxide. Therefore, answer number 2 is the correct answer here. Question number 10. Which of the following shows a physical change and a chemical change respectively? Answer 1, melting of ice dissolving salt crystals in water. Burning of firewood, freezing coconut oils in cold days. Heating of lead nitrate, burning of a paper. 4, melting of wax, burning of a magnesium strip. Answer number 4, melting of wax and burning of a magnesium strip. Melting is a physical change, that means turning a solid into a liquid. Burning is a chemical change, therefore answer number 4. 11th question. Diagram of a fire triangle is given below. Which of the following represents A and B? Answer 1, heat and oxygen. Answer 2, heat and carbon dioxide. Answer 3, light and oxygen. Answer 4, light and carbon dioxide. Answer number 1, heat and oxygen are the correct answers. Fire needs fuel, heat and oxygen. 12th question. Which metal is applied on iron in the process of galvanization? Answer 1, zinc is the correct answer. 13. Which of the following contains only excretory products? Answer 1, sweat, feces, urine. Answer 2, carbon dioxide, urine, feces. Answer 3, tears, sweat, tears, water, carbon dioxide. Answer 4, carbon dioxide, urine, sweat. Answer number 4, carbon dioxide, urine and sweat. These are waste products removed from the body. Question number 14. The electromagnet is given below. The method suitable to increase the power of the magnet is number 1, increasing the number of cells and length of the wire, increasing the number of cells and reducing the length of the wire, reducing the number of cells and reducing the length of the wire, reducing the number of cells and increasing the length of the wire. Answer number 2, increasing cells and reduce wire length. More current and tighter coil, stronger magnet can be made. 15th question. The symbol given below indicates a light-dependent resistor, a light-emitting diode, a rectifying diode, a variable resistor. Answer number 2, light-emitting diode. LED can be seen here. 60. The equipment used to control the electric current of a circuit made in the school is voltmeter, ammeter, rheostat, galvanometer. Answer number 3, rheostat. Rheostat adjusts the current in a circuit. 17. Which effect of electricity is shown by emitting gas from electrodes in the simple cell? Number 1, chemical effect. Number 2, heat effect. Number 3, magnetic effect. Number 4, optical effect. Answer number 1, chemical effect. In electrolysis, electricity causes chemical reactions, releasing gases. Question 18. The group of microorganisms which causes the disease rabies is? Answer 1, virus. Rabies is caused by a virus. Which of the following is not a feature of a plant with fibrous root system? Number 1, presence of thin long leaves. Number 2, presence of one seed leaf in the seed. Number 3, branched stem. Number 4, presence of parallel leaf venation. Answer number 3, branched stem. Fibrous root plants usually have unbranched stems. Particle arrangement of 3 stages of matter is given below. Which of the following correctly indicates these 3 stages? Answer 4, gas, solid and liquid. The arrangement changes from loose to packed. Part 2. Number 1. A circuit arranged by a group of students in grade 8 is given below. Answer the questions based on it. What is the voltage of a dry cell in the above circuit? Answer is 1.5 volts. It has mentioned. Name the accessory A. It's the switch. Name 2 observations that can be seen when a certain change is done in accessory A. When we on the switch, we can see the bulb is lighting. And also we can feel that wires have heated. Answers: lighting up of bulb. Another one is heating of wires. Name 2 effects of electricity that can be identified by using above observations made in 3. lighting bulb, we can see the light effect. And by heating the wire, we can see the heat effect. Name the way of connecting two dry cells in the above circuit. Answer is connected in series. Write two protective strategies that should be followed when using electric equipments domestically. Should not touch with the wet hand. Use a rubber mat to stand when using electric appliance. Question number 2. Roman number 1. Human nervous system can be categorized as follows. Name A, B, C in the chart. Central nervous system has two main parts as brain and spinal cord. And the brain can be divided into three main parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. The peripheral nervous system can be divided into two main parts as cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Diagram of a central nervous system is given above. Name main parts P and Q of it. P, cerebrum. Q, cerebellum. Roman number 3. Which name is used for the bone that protect the brain? Answer: skull. As soon as an ember was trodden, the leg was taken away. Which part of the central nervous system connects here? Spinal cord. Write the effector connected to the above action mentioned in Roman number 4. Muscles of the leg. Write one protective measure which should be followed by us for the protection of nervous system. Maintain a balanced nutrition from childhood. Question number 3. A group of students did the activity given below to investigate the factors essential for rusting of iron. In ABC setups, we will see what are the differences. In A and B setups, you can see coconut oil layers on it. From these two coconut oil layers, they prevent the dissolving of atmospheric oxygen in this water. And in the first A test tube, there's boiled water and there's no air inside that, no oxygen inside that. And in C test tube, the atmospheric air can dissolve, and also it contains the air. The water contains the air because it contains the cold water. In B also, it contains the cold water, so it contains oxygen gas. The setup arranged had been kept for a few days. Roman number 1. Write the observations that can be seen in the test tube A, B and C. The iron nail in test tube A has not rusted because it has no air, and no air, if it has the water, it has no air. That's why no rust can be seen. It has no oxygen inside the test tube A. That's why we can't see it has been not rusted. The iron nail in test tube B has rusted because it contains oxygen and also water. The iron nail in test tube C has rusted. It also contains the two factors. What is the purpose of putting an oil layer to test tube A and B? To avoid dissolving oxygen gas in the atmosphere. Out of the observations obtained, it can be concluded that a certain factor is essential for rusting. Name that factor. Answer: oxygen. What is the other factor essential for rusting except the factor mentioned above? Answer: water. Name a substance that increases the rate of rusting. Acid, or you can write salt also. Write two devices that can be used for the protection of iron from rusting. Applying grease, applying paints. Here we have mentioned the two methods of preventing the iron from rusting. Question number 4. The diagram shows the zones of the candle flame. Name A, B and C. A, non-luminous zone. B, luminous zone. C, outer zone. Write the products formed during complete combustion of wax. Carbon dioxide and water. Write the chemicals which can be used to identify each of the above products mentioned in above Roman number 2 respectively. Carbon dioxide by colorless lime water. They turn into milky color. And water by anhydrous copper sulfate. White color anhydrous copper sulfate turns to blue color. Write two differences between complete combustion and incomplete combustion. Here you can draw a table to write the answers clearly. One side you can mention as complete combustion. Incomplete combustion. The difference: high energy produced. Incomplete, low energy produced. Incomplete combustion: soot, no soot produced. Incomplete combustion: soot produced. Question number 5. The largest organ in the human body is skin. A structure of a human skin is shown below. Name A, B, C, D parts. A. Dermis. B. Epidermis. C. Sebaceous glands. D. Hair. In which part the pigment melanin is present? In epidermis. Write one use of the pigment mentioned in above. Protect the skin from the sun's ultraviolet rays. Skin acts as an excretory organ. Name the excretory product that releases by the skin. Sweat. Name one substance available in the above excretory product mentioned in 4. You can write urea, uric acid, ammonium salt, or water. Question number 6. Write 2 functions of the skin. Acting as a protective cover. Synthesis of vitamin D. Write one strategy that can be followed to maintain healthy skin. Taking nutritive diet. Question number 6. You have been supplied following substances and a powerful bar magnet: pins, a glass lid, an iron nail, an erase, a coin, a piece of paper, a plastic cover, a file clips. Present as a table the substances that attract towards the magnet and did not attract towards the magnet. In that table, the things that are attracting should be pins, iron nail, coin, and file clip. The materials do not attract to magnets are glass lid, eraser, pieces of paper, and plastic lid. Write 2 instances of using permanent magnets. In compass, pencil boxes. Which name is used for the regions where magnetic power of the magnet is high? Poles of a magnet. If you have been supplied 2 identical magnets, draw the way of storing them. Include other substances if necessary. This is how you can store a bar magnet properly. The north pole should face with the south pole of the other magnet, and the south pole of this magnet should face with the north pole of the other bar magnet, like here, and 2 soft iron plates are there, and in between the 2 bar magnets there's a strap of wood. Question number 5. Which equipment used for the identification of the direction of magnetic field? Answer: compass. In your textbook, you can see how a compass is showing the direction of the magnetic field. In this activity, you can see that the compass needle is turning towards the direction of the magnetic field. That's how we are drawing this kind of magnetic field lines from North Pole to South Pole. Question number 6. If you have to make a permanent magnet in the lab, write the way of doing it shortly. You can use the contact method or the electrical method. In the electrical method, take an iron nail, wrap a copper wire tightly around the nail, connect the ends of the wire to a battery or power supply switch on the current. In the contact method, take a steel needle or hacksaw blade, place it horizontally on a table. Rub one end of a bar magnet along the needle in one direction only. Repeat the rubbing several times. This is the end of today's video. Subscribe the channel to watch more videos like this.